So we have to understand this concept, division into groups for different objects. So object will be different and you have to distribute those objects. So look at this. Suppose that group size is different. Okay, means suppose that we have 15 objects and we have to distribute them in, first we, like suppose in a classroom we have, in classroom you know that person will be different, so different objects and we have to do grouping. So in group 1 we will put one person, in group 2 we will put 8, group 3 we will put 4, group 4 we will put 2 person. Okay, so by how many ways we can do this thing? So first try to understand the concept and then later I will tell you the trick to handle this situation. Okay, so suppose that there are 15%. First select one member. Okay, so answer would be 15C1. Then we are left with 14 members. So out of those 14 members you have to select 8 member. So 14C8. Your task is not completed, so you have to multiply. Now you are left with 6 members. Out of those 6 members you have to select 4 members, है ना? 6C4. Your task is not completed, so keep on multiplying. You are left with 2 person and you have to select 2 person. Okay, now look at this. So just break down this 15C1. So can I write 15 factorial by 1 factorial 14 factorial into 14 factorial by 8 factorial and 6 factorial and 6 factorial by 4 factorial 2 factorial, and you know that 2 factorial, we 2c2 will be written as 2 factorial and 0 factorial. Okay, now look at this. Now try to understand this part. Wait a moment. Now look at this. So now let's go with the simplification. So it is 14 factorial, this thing gone, this thing and this thing gone, 2 factorial and 2 factorial is gone. So we are left with what? We are left with, look at this. So it is 15 factorial by 1 factorial, 8 factorial, 4 factorial and 2 factorial. Okay, now look at this. We need not to do all the time this whole step. If you will observe, look at this. We have 15. Look, I'll change the color so that you can correlate. Look at this. We have 15 here. So 15. We have 1 here. You have 1 here. We have 8 here. You have 8 here. You have 4 here. You have 4 there as well. We have 2 here. You have 2 here as well. Okay, so we can arrange things in this many ways. Okay, now suppose that in next time if you have to arrange 23% in a group of 9, 7, 5 and 2. So first check whether these person are different. So it is person, so person would be different. Okay, so you have to divide them into group of 9%, 7%, 5% and 2%. You can also visualize that group size is different. So directly you can answer, sir, this can be done in 23 factorial by 9 factorial, 7 factorial, 5 factorial and 2 factorial ways. Okay, I hope the first idea is clear when group size is different. Now try to understand what will happen if group size will be same. When group size is same, so in that case, suppose that we have this example, 14% are to be distributed in the group of 4, 3, 3, 2 and 2. So first required number of grouping distribution will be done as, just solve this problem as it is, like you are solving for different size. So you will be writing 14 factorial by 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Now look at this. Now observe first number which is being repeated. So your first number 3 is being repeated twice. So for that you have to divide by 2 factorial. Now your second number is repeated twice, that is 2. So you have to divide by 2 factorial. So these two extra element we got because of repetition. If we will have 3 times 3, we will divide by 3 factorial. If we will have 5 times 2, we will divide by 5 times 2 factorial, means 2 factorial to the power that. Okay, I hope now you can distribute things. When we will solve some more illustrations, you will have better clarity. Okay.